Welcome back to the Linguasphere Online Academy podcast.
The podcast where you learn English by listening, understanding, and talking.
Today's episode is about something everyone experiences.
Something we talk about every day.
Something simple but very powerful for learning English.
Today, we're talking about the weather.
The weather is one of the first topics people use when they start speaking English.
And it's one of the easiest ways to start a conversation.
You don't need advanced vocabulary.
You don't need difficult grammar.
You just need simple words.
And natural sentences.
Let's start very simply.
The weather is what is happening outside.
It can be sunny,
Rainy,
cloudy,
windy,
hot.
cold.
These words are used every day.
People talk about the weather with friends,
With family,
with coworkers,
with strangers.
especially when they don't know what else to say.
Weather is safe.
Weather is neutral.
Weather connects people.
Let's start with a very common question.
How's the weather today?
This question is everywhere.
You hear it at work,
At school,
in shops,
on the phone.
and the answer doesn't need to be long.
You can say it's sunny,
Or it's raining.
or it's cold today.
Very simple.
Let's talk about it.
In English, we often say it when talking about the weather.
It's hot.
It's cold.
It's raining.
It's snowing.
It doesn't mean anything specific.
It's just how English works.
Beginners sometimes feel confused by it.
But don't worry.
Just copy what you hear.
Now let's talk about sunny weather.
Sunny weather means the sun is shining,
People often say, it's sunny today.
or it's a sunny day.
Sunny weather usually makes people feel happy.
People smile more.
They go outside.
They walk.
They sit in parks.
You might hear people say, I love this weather.
Or the weather is beautiful today.
Very common expressions.
Now let's talk about rainy weather.
Rainy weather means water falls from the sky,
People say it's raining.
or it's a rainy day.
Some people like rain.
Some people don't.
People might say, I hate this weather.
Or the rain makes me sleepy.
Rain affects mood.
And plans.
People cancel trips because of rain.
Or stay home.
I'll stay home because it's raining.
Very natural sentence.
Now let's talk about cloudy weather.
Cloudy means the sky is full of clouds.
The sun is not clear.
People say it's cloudy today.
Cloudy weather can feel calm
Or boring.
or relaxing.
It depends on the person.
Now let's talk about windy weather.
Windy means strong air movement.
People say it's windy.
Or it's very windy today.
Wind can be cold.
Or warm.
Wind can be annoying.
Or refreshing.
Now let's talk about hot weather.
Hot weather is very common in many countries.
People say it's hot today.
Or it's very hot.
Or it's too hot.
Too hot means more than you like.
Hot weather affects energy.
People feel tired.
They drink water.
They stay inside.
Now let's talk about cold weather.
Cold weather means low temperature.
People say it's cold.
Or it's freezing.
Freezing means very cold.
Cold weather makes people wear jackets
And coats.
and scarves.
Now let's talk about temperature words.
Warm means not hot and not cold.
Cool means slightly cold.
People often say, it's warm today.
Or it's cool this morning.
These words are very useful.
Now let's talk about weather and time.
Weather changes during the day.
People say it's cold in the morning.
It gets warmer in the afternoon.
It's cool at night.
It's colder in the evening.
Gets means changes.
Very important word.
Now let's talk about future weather.
People plan using weather.
It's going to rain later.
It will be sunny tomorrow.
I think it's going to be cold tonight.
Simple future forms.
Very natural. Now let's talk about weather and small talk.
Small talk means light conversation.
Weather is the king of small talk.
People say, nice weather today.
Or bad weather today.
And that's enough.
The conversation can end.
Or continue.
Now let's talk about weather at work.
In offices, people talk about weather all the time.
Cold morning, huh?
Yes, very cold.
Short and friendly.
No pressure.
Now let's talk about weather and feelings.
Weather affects emotions.
This weather makes me happy.
Rainy days make me feel lazy.
Very natural sentences. Now let's talk about weather and culture.
Some cultures talk about weather more,
Some less,
but English-speaking cultures use weather a lot.
especially in the UK.
Weather talk is very common there.
Now let's talk about mistakes learners make.
A common mistake is saying the weather is rain.
Correct is the weather is rainy or it's raining.
Another mistake is saying it have rain.
Correct is it is raining. Simple corrections.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Communication is more important. Now let's practice natural conversation.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny but windy.
That's nice.
Yes, I like it.
Simple and real.
Now let's talk about weather and travel.
Weather affects travel plans.
Flights can be delayed.
Roads can be closed,
People say the weather was bad.
or the weather was perfect.
Now let's talk about weather stories.
Weather sets the scene.
It was a cold morning.
The sky was gray.
Rain started falling. Very simple storytelling. Now let's slow down and reflect.
Weather is easy,
Weather is everywhere.
and weather helps you speak.
Talk about it every day,
Practice aloud.
even alone.
Look outside and describe it.
It's sunny.
It's cloudy.
It's hot.
That builds confidence.
Let's finish naturally.
Weather is more than climate.
It's conversation,
It's connection.
and it's a powerful English tool.
This was the Linguasphere Online Academy podcast.
If you enjoyed this episode,
Like, subscribe, and share.
and keep learning English by talking,
See you next time.
no matter the weather.